Hello student, today I will explain what is sentence and how many types of the sentences. First we have to understand कि what is the sentence. कोई भी sentence English में किसको बोला जाता है. The sentence have a proper meaning and follow the particular sequence subject verb object that is called sentence. Now in English there are 26 letters. In 26 letters, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Letters makes a word like a play. So the letters are PLAY make a word. Words make a sentence, a group of words. So first we have to understand what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which conveys a complete meaning is called a sentence. A sentence may contain a verb. A sentence begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop or question mark or a exclamatory marks. For example, we can say here, now children are playing in the garden. Children play in the garden. You can say here, children play in the garden. That is the proper sentence. We can understand meaning also. Now, kinds of sentences. Sentences are four kinds. First is assertive or declarative sentence. What is the assertive or declarative sentence? We have to understand. A sentence that makes a statement, or assertion is called the assertive or declarative sentence. That is called साधारण वाक्य. For example, Avyan is singing a song. Avyan एक गाना गा रहा है. He is a doctor. वो डॉक्टर है. तो we can understand यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नहीं है, क्वेश्चन नहीं है, तो इसको हम साधारण वाक्य बोलेंगे. सेकेंड इज अ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence end with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Do you love action movies? That asking to question. It means कि in interrogative sentence इसमें आपसे केवल क्वेश्चन पूछने का काम होता है. Now, third is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence that expresses a command or request is called an imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are addressed without naming the subject. Imperative sentence में subject नहीं होता है, केवल उसको as a indicate किया जाता है. Subject is left out from the sentence. इस sentence में जो subject होता है वो नहीं होता है. For example, sit down, always obey your parents. तो ये जो दो सेंटेंस हम देख रहे हैं ये हमारा इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस का पार्ट है. नाउ फोर्थ इज अ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सडन फीलिंग, जब हमारे मन से अचानक कोई फीलिंग निकले, that is called the exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feelings or emotions is called an exclamatory sentence. और ये जो सेंटेंस है उसके लास्ट में एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज हमारा सेंटेंस वो करेक्ट नहीं होगा. दैट इज सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हुर्रा इंडिया वॉन द मैच, अल्लाश रूबी लॉस्ट हर मदर. तो ये जो वर्ड्स है और उसके बाद जो एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन यूज़ हुआ है, दैट इज़ ये इंडिकेट करता है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस एंड हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. थैंक यू.